Recently, I came across a use case from a customer that he is trying to update the opportunity product fields based on the quote line items field update. And as you know, when you create a quote and if your quote is sync on opportunity, then whatever changes you make on quote line items or on the opportunity products are going to be sync bidirectionally. But the problem here is customer wants to kick off the sync, kick off the update based on the custom field changes. Is this something possible? If you really want to know the answer, then please watch this video till the end. Hi, my name is Siddharth and welcome to my channel Tech Trivia. So as you know, the standard code sync functionality syncs code line items with related opportunity products based on the standard field value changes. But what if your customer is using a lot of custom fields on both of these objects and would like to kick off the sync based on those field value changes? Can this be possible in Salesforce? Well, you can definitely add a flow and formula fields to achieve this desired result. So we are going to create two formula fields, one formula on opportunity product object to store quote line item ID, and other formula we're gonna create on quote line item object where we're gonna store the opportunity product ID. And then we are going to create two flows. One flow will sync opportunity products data with the quote line item based on the custom field changes, and the other one will update the opportunity product based on the quote line item field custom field value changes. So let's quickly log in Salesforce and see how this all can be implemented. All right, so once you logged in Salesforce, first thing, let me show you how the sync quote functionality will work. So left hand side, top left corner, click on the app launcher and then search for sales, select sales, and then click on opportunities, select all opportunities, and then click on any one of your choice. I'm gonna click on age SLA, and then if you notice there is no product yet on this opportunity, so add a product. Select SLA gold, next, select to quantity, and then in the line description just write SLA and then hit save. So you notice a product is added on this opportunity. Scroll down and there is quotes section at the end. If you don't see this section, then you need to enable the quote. So you have to click on the top right corner gear icon, setup, and then there is a quote settings. You need to turn on quotes in quote settings, and also you have to add the quote section in the page layouts, and then you will be able to see the quote section on opportunity detail page. So when let me create a quote for this opportunity. So click on the arrow, new quote. Quote name is December 001. Expiration date I'm selecting as 30th of December, and Rest everything I'm leaving as is. Let me click on the save, and so it's a code number 002. If I open that code, you notice the same product that I added on opportunity is added on code as well as a code line item, right? And now at top right corner on buttons panel, if you click on the arrow, there is an option start sync, and then click continue. All right, so now this code is synced on opportunity. So we are going to make any changes in the code line item. Similarly, the changes will happen on opportunity product. So let's see that. So I'm clicking on this arrow and selecting edit to update the code line item. So subscription date is a custom field. I'm selecting 14th of December, and term is also a custom field. Other than that, align item description, which we set as SLA. Now I'm changing it to updated SLA. And as soon as I'm gonna click on save, you will notice the description on the opportunity product will be updated as updated SLA. So let me click on the save. Now let me go on age SLA opportunity, and there is this product. Let me click on that, and you notice the line description is updated as updated SLA, right? But you notice like subscription date and terms fields are not synced because these two are custom fields, right? So we are going to add a formula field on opportunity product object. Let's do that quickly. So at top right corner, click on the gear icon and then select edit object. Left hand side, click on fields and relationships. Then click on the new button. And then in the data type, select formula and then hit next. Field label should be QuoteLineItem ID. Written type should be text and then click next. In formula editor, click on the advanced formula, insert field, and there is quote line item, and there is quote line item ID. Check syntax, everything looks good. So I'm gonna add this formula in the video description as well, so you guys simply copy paste from there. Rest everything leave as is, then next. In field level security, leave it visible, click next, and in the step 5, uncheck this checkbox because we don't want to add it on the page layout, right? And click on the save. So field will be there, but not displayed on the page layout. Click on the object manager, and similarly we are going to create a field on quote line item object. So search for quote line item. And then left hand side, click on fields and relationships. click on the new button to create a new field. Select formula as the data type, then click next. The field label should be Opportunity Product ID. Opportunity Product ID. Return type should be text. Click next. And so here is the hack that you won't be able to find any related field to opportunity line item object. So you simply type OpportunityLineItem.Id. I'm gonna also add this formula in video description for you to copy from there. Everything looks good. Click next. Next. And uncheck the checkbox because we don't want to add it on the page layout. Click save. Great. So we created a formula on QuoteLineItem that will store the ID of the corresponding opportunity product, and then we added a formula on opportunity product object that will store an ID of the corresponding QuoteLineItem record. Now click on the home in the setup, and now we are going to create flow. So in quick find, search for flows, then click flows. At top right corner, click new flow. And then select record triggered flow and then click create. Great. Now, so first we're going to create a flow on opportunity product object, and we're going to sync opportunity product with QuoteLineItem. So in the object, select opportunity product, and configure trigger, select a record is created or updated. Entry condition, so we got two custom fields. We are going to evaluate that the value in those fields are changed. So select all condition, select any conditions met, and then the first one is select term in months, operator is changed, and then in the value select global constant true. Click add condition and type subscription date, select it. In the operator select is changed, and then in the value global constant true. Alright, so whenever the standard field is updated, the standard sync functionality will work and updates the standard fields on the corresponding object, but we are just concerned about the custom field value changes. So we are adding two custom fields right now, but if you have like more than two custom fields, you need to add all them in the entry criteria. All right, now on this option, the last option, select actions and related records. Now on the canvas left hand side, click on the plus sign and then type update related records. Select it. Give a label, update quote line item. In the second section, leave that radio button selected, update records related to opportunity product, and then in select related records, select opportunity line item, and then opportunity, and then synced code, and then just type quote line items. All right. In set filter condition, select all conditions are met, because there might be like multiple quote line items, but we just want to update the one that which ID we are storing on the opportunity product, right? So here you can just type QuoteLineItemId equals, and then in the value select opportunity line item, and then there is the formula that we created, QuoteLineItemId. Right? And then we are going to set values for those two custom fields, subscription date. In the value, select record or opportunity line item, select subscription date, click add fields, and then term. In the value, select opportunity line item, and then terms in months, term in months. All right, everything looks good. Click on the save. The flow label should be sync quote line item, save, and then click on activate button. Great. Now in that blue color bar on the top, click on the back arrow. At top right corner, click on the new flow button once again. In the pop-up dialog, select record trigger flow, and then click create. In object, select quote line item. Configure trigger should be a record is created or updated. In set entry conditions, select any condition is met, and in the field, just type term, and then in operator, select is changed. In the value, select global constant true. Click on add condition, and then just type subscription date. In operator is changed, and in the value, select global constant true. All right. In optimize the flow for, make sure it is the second rectangle selected, actions and related records. And now let's add an action. So click on the plus sign from left hand side canvas and select update related records. Label update opportunity product, and now in select related records section, click on quote line item and then type opportunity product or opportunity line item, select it and click outside. So basically you want to update the related opportunity code line item. All right, we don't want to set any filter condition, and in set field values, let's set value for those two fields: subscription date, choose record, and then from there select subscription date. Again click on add field. In the first option select term in months. In the value select record and then term. Everything looks good. Click on the save. Flow name should be sync product. Sync opportunity product. That's the name. Click on the save and then hit activate button. Perfect. So now we got two formula fields and also we created two flows. Now let's verify whether the sync is being triggered when you update a custom field. So I'm opening again the opportunity product which we created earlier, and then you notice the subscription date that is blank right now. I'm going to add a value over there. So I'm selecting tomorrow's date, that's 13th of December, and term in months, I'm adding 10. Let's click on the save. All right, everything is good. Now let's go on the opportunity. Scroll down. Click on the quote. And then open the quote line item. So let me open it in a new tab so that I can open opportunity product and the quote line item side by side. And you notice the subscription date is updated as tomorrow's date, 13th December 2023, and the term is also updated as 10. Let me change the term to 12 and let me set the subscription date as the last day of this month, 31st of December. Let's save it. And if I go back on the first tab, and from this code, we are gonna go on opportunity. So age SLA, then opportunity product. And you notice the subscription date and the term in months are updated. Great. So everything is working as expected. I hope you like this video and it adds value in your Salesforce knowledge. Please hit the like button to motivate me, and if you are new to the channel, then please click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to get notified for all my upcoming videos. So that is it for today. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next week with a new learning topic. Happy learning.